Welcome to another week in my life. Can I just say, sobrang proud ko sa sarili ko because I got to upload a 22-minute video and na-edit ko yung mga ina-attempt kong i-shoot. Well, ina-attempt pa ba yun kung na-shoot ko naman talaga? Pero, yeah, you get what I mean. So, today, I'm going out because I need to film some content for the studio. It's for my work. And so yun lang naman yung agenda ko for today. Share ko lang, katatapos ko lang panoorin yung off-campus. And in fairness, maganda siya. Hindi ako nag-cringe at all. May mga times lang, lalo na kapag kumakanta si Hana. Pero I guess it's part of the romance vibe. Ganoon naman talaga kapag medyo Wattpad-ish yung story. Magi-cringe ka talaga. Pero yeah, I love it. And look at my outfit. I just realized it's like a hockey vibe girlfriend. May nagsasabi mo. Hockey girlfriend vibe. Charap. Parang ang liit ng serve. Daming rice, walang meat. Pag talagang hindi influencer. Hi, if gusto mo. Thank you. Taste test ang braised beef. Braised beef. Masarap nga siya. Kunti lang ng serving. Grocery. Oh. Ang init. Okay, kamatis wala. Okay. Sure. Hello, nasa Seymour kami. SM Market pala. Tingnan ko kung may outside. Wala yung parang gintong kape na violet. Yung chocolate coffee. Bili na lang ako ng ginto.
Bakit? Ano yan?
Surprise! Uy, monster oh. Kuha ka na kaya?
Mas mura siya ng kanta.
O yan, kuha ka na. Uy, legit ako. Ang ganda oh. Tissue. So good oat. Fabricon. Dalawang white monster. Kay Paulo to. I like this one pero not that much. Kamatis because we're going to cook sinigang for tonight. Coffee ko blanca, sinigang mix. Sitaw. Then, just some pork. Porky. Ayun lang. I'm editing yung content na shoot ko kanina. Yeah, yung shoot ko earlier sa my studio. And my good friend is going here in Baguio and she's going to stay with us. This is gonna be her room. Pero hindi pa namin naayos. And I'm currently staying here kasi nandito yung electric fan and tiyatamad ako ipunta siya sa kwarto. Holy shit, I just remembered. Wala kaming isang electric fan. Baka humiram na lang ako kay Kelly. So yeah, just a little update for y'all. Okay, see you later when I'm going to cook the sinigang.
Storms on the roof, secrets whispered, bulletproof. We build worlds out of steel. Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away, if just for a moment, if just for a day. We can drive past the signs, over the borders of our mind. 'Cause today's a beautiful day. Why would anyone?
Hi, so I'm gonna start cooking sinigang na. And believe it or not, nakatulog ako kagabi, so hindi ako nakapagluto. Kaya this morning, gagawin natin yung sinigang.
Rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun. Day was where we made it shine. You were the world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine. Concrete, we can dance all night, break the concrete. Flowers will bloom. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun. Day was where we made it shine. You were the world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have
Ano po the sinigang? Tada! Mix it. We're gonna eat some sinigang. This is sinigang na baboy. Baboy means pork. We're gonna watch a show called Ted. It's a teddy bear that came to life. Hindi ko na alam kung anong accent. Hindi ko na alam kung anong lahi yung ini-impersonate ko eh. It's currently 10 a.m. Kala ko super late na. Baby, na-na-na-na. Yes, my darling chicken. This is white rice from the Philippines.
Blake, think maybe me and Teddy could steal a couple beers?
Oh, yeah.
Hilarious. Now,
Yummy.
come on. We'll wait until mom and dad are asleep to drink them. And we'll do it all in our room so no one will know.
The ghosts will know.
Oh my
Also,
god, yung
see my
sili.
asshole. Why do I care if they see me drink a beer? Right?
Ronald Leg.
For God's sakes, do you have to do this every fucking year? Get fucking reminded of it.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Pull him way down there. It should be static. There's nothing there.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna write a letter to these bums. Dear Spirit,
Looking at recipes. Why? Oh no. Ba ako siya. Nagmi-mix na ako ng butter niya. Nakita niyo ba? Tsinanay. I'm not sure kung anong lasa, pero whatever. Yo, it's so good. It looks so good. Ang harap siya. Wow. I'm gonna make coffee. I'm gonna use this Nescafe decaf kasi sumasakit yung ulo ko kapag hindi siya decaf. Yeah, I'm weak as fuck. Ganitong size lang. So technically, have condensed milk. Whoa. Set this aside. Foam? Something? Gonna use this for my foam again. Then milk. Oop. You don't have sea salt, so gagamit na lang ako ng salt na typical. Hindi ko alam kung anong magiging lasa nito, pero 1 pinch or 2. Mix ko lang. We're gonna froth this one. Iba yung frother ko. So, lagay ko lang siya here. Then, i-cold froth ko lang siya for a while. Yan na, na-froth ko na siya. So, lalagay na natin siya here. Diyan. Hindi ko alam ba't pa ako naka-apron. Tapos naman ako magluto ba. Anyway, let's taste this girly pop. Oh my god. Sarap. Holy shit. Ito yung kay Pao. And this is mine. Maharap talaga siya.
May kalasa siya sa foam coffee mo. Foam coffee. Ang dami rin ba?
Ah, pero secret hot today.
Put up. So, Desenio has some really cute prints. We got this beautiful
I might
right here.
cut my
I love the pops.
These are all my accessories. I'll leave it. Masarap siya.
Yeah.
Off campus, baby.
With the wrong guys, basically. That was a joke. Jesus.
Get over it.
Oh, right.
Hi! Oh my God. Sinisipon ako for some reason. Di ko alam kung bakit. But anyway, I am getting ready na. Nagme-makeup na lang ako. And then, papasok na ako. Okay, so I am all prepared. And magsasapatos na lang ako. I will not be filming sa work kasi I want it to be no distractions kasi this will be a busy day. And because it's a Sunday. And yeah, I feel like see you later or tomorrow or sa isang araw. Bye!
Ito pala yung tsura niya kapag ano. Lagi kasi may pick up ba?
Eating naengmyeon. Hi, girl. My coffee as usual. Nasobrang ko yung water. But it's okay. Still good. Guys, I just saw. What do you mean? I have 111 views. Hello? Yay! 37! Aw, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Ito yung ibibigay ko kay Karen. Pasalubong kila Carlo and Kiki. And Karen as well. So, ipakita ko sa iyo yung laman ng isang pouch. Nabili ko to kahapon. It's an incense holder. Lalagay mo dyan sa mga butas niya. So cute. Then, binigyan ko rin sila na gems. Ng crystals. This is green aventurine. And then ito citrine. Citrine ba? Yan siya. This one is for Carlo. Yung iba naman, ang binigay ko is citrine and quartz. Ito yung isa. Same lang din ng laman, pero instead of green aventurine, quartz and citrine. Then nakalimutan ko actually bilhan si Kiki ng incense holder. Pero bibilan ko siya later. And then, bibili din ako ng incense na kasama nito. Siyempre, anong ilalagay mo sa incense holder? Kung wala kang incense, di ba? Uwi na kasi mamaya sila Karen. So, konting pasalubong lang. Melin, if nanonood ka, yung pasalubong mo nandito sa bahay, ikaw na lang kumuha. Malapit ka na lang naman dito sa Baguio. So, love you, girl. Code po nila. Sa strips lang po applicable yung tuka. Customer Rain, for photo booth, ito po yung prices. Both po. And ito po yung code nila.